I guess you watched the thumbnail, right? Yes, with 800 rupees, I will tell you how you need to get one high paying client using hot ads lead strategy inside Meta. Okay. Without getting any delay, let's get into the topic. Hi, my name is Virender Chaudhary, and people know me as Hello Viru, and I am the founder and CEO, Trado School, hashtag one business school for freelancing. Let's get started. So, to run ads, you should solve a specific problem inside specific industry. Getting my point? So, in 2025, the most important thing is you have to become a specialist than a journalist. Don't say like, hi, are you looking for digital marketing services? I can provide you that. Nobody will give a damn about it. If they give any damn about it also, they pay you a very less amount and you will stuck in a low paying income forever if you onboard no knowledge or a low paying clients. Clear? So first, what we need to do is like, for instance, I will take an example of dentist. Imagine my niche is healthcare, and inside that, my micro niche, I want to solve or serve dentists. So what problem can I solve exclusively for dentists using 800 rupees and creating hot ad lead strategy inside Meta? Let's get started. Okay. So the first one, I'll share my screen. We need a poster to run the ad, right? We cannot simply run just like that. So poster add a good vibe. So the first thing which I want to tell you is I'm gonna divide this video into design phase, copy phase, ad creation stage, and running stage. You're getting my point? So let's go to the first stage, which is design phase. So in the design, I'm only creating a poster. But if you're serious and want to get more quality leads and good leads, I want you to mix this poster with any one to video ads. Shoot video ads like this. Are you a dentist looking to increase your OPs? Then use this ABCD framework to increase it. So click on the link below and submit a form. I will personally get back to you on a one-to-one call. Something like that. Create a video ad which is more powerful. So okay, so let's get any ad. Right now you can see my screen, right? This is my Canva dashboard. Just I'm looking for something which is good. Let us keep this first. So let's search for Dr. Coat. Okay, I've already searched it. Or else let's directly search for dentist. Hmm. 5x year OPs. I'm just designing the poster right in front of you. Okay. So forward this. Okay, so to just see the output, because I'm thinking right now in my mind, I do not have any. So I'm just thinking creatively. This is teeth or tooth, I don't know English. Let's focus on this is tooth. Use TRSR formula. Let's zoom this a bit. So example, I can make this more creative if I have some time. 5x your OPs, hi dental doctor. This is tooth helping you generate 5x OPs for you. So these three can be used very good. Let's do one thing. So as you are already watching this, let us take the screenshot and upload to ChatGPT. You can see the poster, right? I am creating a ad, but I want something creative. So I said 5x your OPs, hi dental doctor, and I said this is tooth, want to help you generate 5x. But there are three highlights right above the tooth, like three important things. What I can paste in that three segments so that it can make meaningful, not like randomly we're posting those three. Like I'm thinking like how we can do it to increase 5x. What are the three things that we want to do it? So can you please tell those three things? We have AI, right? Let's ask AI. You're getting my point. I'm trying to get something more creative in the ad so that dental doctors especially pay attention. So let's focus on the first one, reputation, and second one, showcase, and third one, meta ads. Okay, okay, this is nice. Okay, now what? Oh, this is, let us imagine Control A, Viru's agency. Example, this is your logo. Now what I do is like, I'll download this. Yeah, I'll download this. Good poster, right? Not bad. So the design phase is now completed. Now comes to the copy phase, okay, which is the most important thing, right? We need to write a beautiful copy for the poster or for the ad to generate more leads because we've just investing only 800 rupees. That strategy is, I want to tell you, I will tell you how you can break down 800 rupees and get super hot leads that can close, right? So sorry it took time because I did not prepare previously what poster do I need to create. So I want to teach you from scratch. Like, so I've created this poster right now. Now what we are going to do is, uh, we'll ask to ChatGPT to generate copy. Thanks for giving it. I want you to generate a meta ad copy for me so that I can run advertisements targeting dental doctors. Remember, the ad should contain hook, problem, solution, and the call to action is book a one-to-one call. Remember, in the copy, you have to mention these three things at any cost. Reputation, fix your online reputation and the meaning. Show patient smiles and the solution. Run location-based meta ads and the solution because these are the three which we mentioned in the poster, right? They need to know more clarity about these three before they booking a one-to-one call. So include them. Now it will give you a copy. Hit enter. Are you struggling to get new OPs despite giving best treatment? Problem. Most dental clinics are losing patients because of poor treatment, but because they're online, not because of poor treatment, not because of online reputation. Solution. Call to action. Absolutely great. So what I'm going to do is like, let's go to the next stage. That is ad creation stage, ad execution stage. Okay, for getting hot leads. And last will be results. So let's create an ad. So if you do not have a ad manager account, just click on new tab and search ads manager and create a ads manager account inside Meta Ads. So click on create. What exactly you need to do is like click on leads, click on continue, name this like dental doctors. Okay. And budget 200. What is this where you said 800 rupees? No, we'll spend only 200 rupees per day for the next 4 days, not 800 rupees on a single day. Okay. So second, click on next. So instant forms, that is what we need. And the page I've already selected. And now show more settings, show more controls because we need more controls, further limit your ad because I want to do it manual instead of AI. So switch that up. So what I need to do is like doctors generally from maybe let's target 25 to 44 or let's say 54. Okay. So the audience, I don't have any existing audience. Let's build a detailed targeting. Inside the detailed targeting, you can pause this video and uh, just copy paste exactly what I'm saying. We'll focus dentist. Enough. More than enough because we have a limited budget and we don't want location entire India. I'm from Hyderabad, so I pick Hyderabad. So wherever you are in the city, you can pick that city. It could be tier 1, tier 2, tier 3 city. Any city is any city is fine. Okay. Now what we need to do is like, let's go to and also further, let's narrow it down further. Who's knows or looking for digital marketing? Better. It is fine. Okay. Now what we need to do is click on next. Now whatever the poster we have designed, we'll upload that poster. Set up creative, not video ad. Upload a image ad. Upload uses. I like this poster, you know. This is a good one. Click on next. Click on next. So here is a primary text which we need to copy from Meta AI, which has given. Copy and paste. Make sure you remove this. Okay. And also problem. And solution. Okay. And call to action. That's it. Now what we need to do is like book a free one-to-one call. This is the headline. Okay. Now click on next, skip and continue and done. Boom, your ad is ready. So the next thing which we need to work on is the form. So many people, what they do is like they collect name, email, and phone number. That's it. They think like they've generated a good lead. No, you need to ask more questions. So if you observe my trader school, if you're joining for a one-to-one mentorship or anything, we'll ask a set of questions, right? We don't simply ask name, email, and phone number. You're getting my point. By the way, as the topic comes, if you're looking for a one-to-one mentorship, I have given a free training on what exactly one-to-one mentorship will look like and what exact mistake freelancers are doing. So I will give a link below in the description or in the pinned comments. You can watch that free training to get to know what exact one-to-one mentorship will look like. Okay. See you. Now let's create a form. I already have one form, which is hot lead. So I'll duplicate that and I'll show you. Okay. So here you see the form type, always keep higher intent because you're collecting leads inside Meta. You're not redirecting to landing page. Inside Meta, you are collecting leads. I'm sorry. Okay. So click on higher intent and click on next. Here you see get AI powered marketing strategy within 1 hour. Here, we'll keep like book a free one-to-one call now. Okay. You can always copy this one or anything. You can paste it in the description. Okay. So you can create a new description as well. Instead of copy pasting what we have already shown in the ad, you can create one more using AI. I've already given how to create. So click on next. Here comes the game. Okay. What is your budget for marketing services? If a dental client said, no budget, do you think that they will pay you? Do you think that they will become your client? That means you are eliminating junk leads in the form itself. If somebody said 10K to 220K, if your pricing is between this, you can go with them. If somebody said 30K and above, 20K and above, that's where you will really find the high paying clients. And here you see, what is your dental clinic claim? Okay. Why do you need marketing for your business currently? Okay. They need to give how soon you need it. They need to write. If they're like, why do you need marketing for your business currently? Just like that. I love marketing. I need leads. If somebody has given one-liner answers, one-word answers, you can probably think that they are also not good leads. If somebody given you your real problem and how soon they need it, if they say immediately, you're going to catch the new hot lead. Okay. So here you see, and then you need to ask name, email, phone number, and click on next, and click on next, and click on next. Ending screen, you can give a Calendly appointment link. You just simply type Calendly. Okay, this is free. After they filling the form, in the end screen, okay, I'll show go to website. Don't leave this page before you book a free one-to-one AI marketing consultation call with us. Okay, that means they will see the ad, they will fill the form, and the last stage which I want to tell results for a booking. So then they will click once after they submit, they'll click here, book a consultation call here, and they will go to Calendly and they will select an appointment whenever they are free without calling, without burning out. With just 800 rupees, clients are landing on your one-to-one meeting. Isn't it beautiful? So if you like this video, like it and share it with your freelancing friends and comment on what topics do you want me to cover in the upcoming videos so that I will create exact videos on the same. Considering subscribing, if you like my content, you can watch the previous videos, whatever I put so far. If you liked it, if you got value, consider subscribing and turn on the bell notification. See you by the next video.